Good morning, traders. It's Pete here. Welcome to another Trading Kitchen video. It's 10th of March. Basically, for me, the trading day has ended because there are very important news, unemployment rate, and Lagarde speech. So, too many noise for scalpers, on my opinion. So, I just want to take this time, just want you to show my trade that I made today before US opening. I want to explain the real reason because I open a trade. Let me first invite you to join this and subscribe this channel. So press the thumbs up button, the bell, so you get notified. And above all, let me know what you think about using the comment section below. Same old stuff, I know, guys, but I would really appreciate if you help me to grow this community. And above all, join my Discord group, which I share my ideas for scalping strategy and intraday and swing trading as well, educational content like this and other trading videos that I found interesting to share with you, and trading journal week back test, and this is my trading journal, updated in a very transparent way. As you can see, I have lots of stop losses. To be honest, not so much this month. But if you see February, there are so many stop losses here, and generally probably the worst, if I don't remember, the worst month ever probably for me. And that's the reason why after this month I already back tested again my scalping strategy. And I discovered that something is changed on Nasdaq. That's the reason why I started from March trading more S&P on futures, obviously. So yes, and the reason is just because I found Nasdaq a little bit more volatile between last year than last year. So I move on S&P, which basically is the same. I mean, there's no big difference between S&P and Nasdaq, but probably for the specific strategy that I use, S&P last year it was a little bit more performing. Okay. Anyway, I want you guys to show you these two trades. Okay, so on the back test, is free, or this journal is free. You can take the link in the description below. You have TradingView link and the multi-wave, which is my platform link, in which I show you the reason by which I took the trade. You have to know this strategy, but if you watch my videos, you will for sure take the strategy and know the strategy. The third trade, it's going on break even. It goes on break even. So anyway, the first one is after London opening. And by the way, this was my view for today that I share on TradingView and on my Discord group, and what I suppose price could do this morning is take a manipulation liquidity here during the US US opening and above the Asian session high to go down and take this trade. Obviously, it was there are news. So the second scenario is this one, Okay, so a retest and get to take more liquidity here in this huge supply zone. Basically what price did, they took the liquidity, go down, but with the news go up, and now, you know, probably want to test the yesterday lows, so take this target, but I will not trade anymore for today. So the first trade, we go on my platform, which is this one, and with the order flow analytics add-on, which is something very, very cool that I found recently, and believe me, it's something that a little bit changed my view, even if the strategy is the same, even if the logic is the same, but on a very visual point of view, get me everything so much easier to understand. And this kind of add-on is something that really suits my strategy, and so I really advise you to have to take this add-on. orderflowanalytics.com could be the site. I don't remember, I don't know this man, but he did a very good job. It is available also for NinjaTrader if you are a NinjaTrader user. Anyway, so what about the first trade? We are here, and so 10:30 my time, which is Rome, and so we are here. Okay, we are here, and probably what I was waiting is the testing of this supply zone. Okay, and so now there is a level probably here, yeah, this one. Okay, as you can see, we have a strong impulse from here, so all this zone could be good for us to trade. Okay, so what I was waiting is just a reaction from this zone. Okay, when price approached the zone, what I saw, this, first of all, this huge transaction in which the volumes came down, delta negative, delta change very negative, the percentage very negative, and we have a volumetric engulfing here on a cumulative delta. This is a confirmation. Okay, this is the confirmation that basically price is trend is reversing, because we have the switch of the POC, which is this one. Okay, so before here and then now here, so basically POC did this. Okay, which is something that I need to consider any trade. Okay, it's not enough. Even if values are by my side, even if we change the POC, I wait for a retest. Okay, so I need something, I need some imbalances, I need strong zones in which volumes are clear on a horizontal way, and I want price retest this zone. Okay, so we go down, and to do that I use the view up from the high in this setup. So here, now I don't remember exactly the level, but this could be good. Okay, because we have, as you can see, strong imbalances here, strong bearish volumes that are not tested yet, okay, like this one, but this is already tested, and I usually wait for the price to retest the view up or the poke of the swing, of the new swing that has just been created, okay. So let's go forward, and this gray box is the first bullish cluster that created this in the last impulse, the last climax that we do have. So probably this could be my target. So if I want to have 1-3 risk reward, I want to be sure that this, if this is top loss and this is a target, okay, the more or less, sorry, the trade will be this one, okay, more or less this one. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so now price get this imbalance and tested the view up. So I probably enter now. So let me do the replay mode with down. Okay, so one contract, I enter now. The stop loss will be more or less here, the take profit, okay, right here. Okay, so this is the first trade that I made, and as you can see, price immediately goes down to test the POC, sorry, the cluster, the bullish cluster here, okay. If you want a conservative way to trade this strategy, you can wait for this movement and then the retest on the recent POC of another strong movement, okay, after price touches the view up. But this is very conservative wave, and probably your win profit will increase, but the trade that you do will be less. So this example, the conservative wave was not possible because when price was here already tested, it was too close to the target, okay. So on this retest I don't have enough space, obviously, so the risk reward ratio will not be satisfied, okay. So this is the first trade. The second one will be more or less the same, just half an hour later. So let me remove this. So let's go. Let's move forward, and if I remember correctly, yes, it was this one, okay. So price then tested this zone again. Obviously, as price test the zone and go down, this zone is not valid anymore. You have to move the zone higher, and obviously the stop loss will be the same here, okay. So now price reached the zone, okay. Sorry, 130. So I cannot see the values here, so let me reload the replay mode again, because I want to have all the values on here on the volume print of multi-wave. So just a minute, let me Let me load everything. Yeah, okay, so we are here, and as you can see, so we can remove this one. Okay, so what I want to see is a complete transaction. This could be good because price made a new low and values are very good. Look at how negative are, but this is not enough because I see this strong cluster, bullish cluster that have been broken. I usually wait for the price to break the last impulse, the last contrarian impulse that we have on the opposite way. So if I want to go short, I want for the price to break the last bullish impulse, which is this one, bullish cluster, okay, which Wyckoff calls climax. And now price, that's what price did, broke the last impulse. Okay, so values are by my side. We have a volumetric engulfing here. Cumulative delta is completely bearish, so it's time to go short. But as always, I want to wait for the price to retest the view up, okay, which is this one. This is another very cool tool of add-on. So view up, I don't care. Yes, this one. Okay, so this is the view up that I want for the price to test. It's not necessary. What you can do if you don't like view up, just wait for a retest on a strong imbalance like this one. Okay, so let's move. Okay, so as you can see, I probably enter here, price retest the view up. I was too fast, so price get the view up, retested, and now we can go short from here. Even it's not the right place because, as I told you, just want to enter when price test an imbalance or a view up. Okay, stop loss will be at the high, at the last high of the last impulse, so this one, the last candle. Okay, and what about a profit will be close to the last impulse, which is this one. Okay, so probably will be this. As you can see, 1-3 risk reward is not respected here, but if I enter here, it's completely good as a trade. And as you can see, price immediately take profit, okay, and with a strong impulse. Okay, I did not consider a possible re-entry, but price get this cluster, this bullish cluster, and if I remember correctly, move up from now. No, okay, it could be good. This also when you see price breaking this structure here. Okay, this kind of movement, unless you find a target here or a potential trend reversal level here, this is good for a possible re-entry. Okay, another imbalance like this one. Okay, so this could be another trade from here because we have an imbalance here. Stop loss will be the high of this candle. Okay, and this could be another another trade I remember correctly, price then move strongly up. Okay, so this could be a break even. I usually move my stop loss to break even using the view up. Okay, the view up from the last impulse, sorry, for the last high. So I'm moving gradually, stop loss close to break even, and usually when price reach 1.5 risk reward or 2 risk reward, I move immediately. Break even, to stop loss to break even. Okay, so guys, that's pretty much for today. Hope you liked this video. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section below, and it's enough. Thank you, see you in the next video.